My name is Azeem. I'm a member of the England Blind football team and founder of Learn With ESS, and today we're at the Business Growth Hub headquarters in Manchester. Today we delivered a CPD session to some of the members of staff at the Business Growth Hub. It was a session based around changing perceptions and also giving people a better understanding of what it's like to live with a challenge. That challenge today was what it may be like for someone who can't see, and we did that by using some blindfolds. Okay. You ready, Gavin? That's for you. So we did some stationary activities where we were kind of passing a ball around that makes a sound. So they had to kind of respond to a call, they had to kind of communicate with each other. So it really kind of got them thinking what it would be like if you were to step into the shoes of someone with a disability.
And for the last time, change direction. Yes, Matt. Cheers. Big ball, Gavin.
I was born with no sight in my right eye and light perception in my left, and I've had to kind of adapt my life to be able to kind of get around, study, work, live and get around independently, and I've got a good support network around me of friends, family and people I work with, and play football is a big part of my life. Can't really change the situation that I'm in. I was dealt with a certain set of cards. It's about kind of my mindset around being that person who doesn't just sit down and accept and feel sorry for yourself. It's about kind of striving and trying to be on par with everybody else, if not ahead of them, and doing something that you enjoy.
Whenever you're ready, let's go!
So in terms of my career, I went to Salford University, studied an undergrad in business and sports management, and then a master's in digital business. I had an idea, I had this vision in my head around delivering workshops that would leave real impact and would kind of change the way people perceive those with a disability. And we packaged it up, we branded it, and we rolled it out across the UK and also wider than that. Just come back from delivering at the FIFA World Cup in Qatar, and it was an unbelievable experience. But seeing the impact of our work growing global is huge.
I think more and more people are realising that not everybody works the same. It's not fair that people that come from different backgrounds have different opportunities in life, and I think having an equal, diverse and inclusive workforce is important and makes people and workplaces much better.
If you feel a £10 note or a £20 note, you'll see it's a little 4 dots which represent the letter G. The characteristics and the experiences that person who's overcome a challenge on a day-to-day basis, their skill set might be so much more valuable to you as an organisation. Having an employee like that, I think, will aid your organisation in such a positive way.